So for this specific one that you saw for practically the entire recital, works purely based on the volume of the piano. So if you play something really loud, then the circle will get really, really big. If you play something really quiet, it will stay small and kind of stay in a line. It works with a feedback loop, which just means it's taking a picture every single frame and then repeating it again. That's how you get the back and forth motion. Because what's actually being shown on the screen is just one ring of circles. It's just a bunch of pictures of the circle moving across the thing. So I'll give an example of, so it's really big, and then if I don't play, it'll go away. That's that. Now I'm gonna try and hook up one of my other ones to the keyboard and hope that works. Okay, so this one was I was trying to create the feeling of rain, and so I'll just do like a little solo thing. Every single note is one raindrop, and if I hold it really long, then the raindrop will take a long time to disappear. If I play something really short, it'll disappear really quick. And it's random on the screen, just like how rain is. I would show some more, but I'm afraid everything is going to break, so I think I'm going to end it there. Thank you for being at the recital.